Hi, I'm Mel, and we're back with another episode of Mango Travel Diaries, this series to watch this summer to travel the Mediterranean in style. I bet you can guess pretty easily where I am today by the shades and tones around me, but if you're still not sure, here are some key words I've learned to lead you in the right direction. ممتاز. مشينا؟ Swin. Atay Dinama. Here we are in beautiful Marrakesh, our second destination. Morocco's famous Red City is named after its ancient red walls, which are made of sandstone. Marrakesh takes you back in time while keeping one foot in the present, so it's time to start moving. Join me on this adventure and let the road ahead of us surprise us. Kasbah is a local Moroccan neighborhood that offers an authentic experience. Once on the edge of ruin, Kasbah is now the place to be. Make sure you enter this neighborhood through Bab Agnou, this grand, elegantly carved gate. What I'm wearing today kind of matches the scenery with a brown laced-up top, a blue denim skirt, and my favorite part are the boots. Isn't this impressive? It's so huge and beautiful. After walking through all the tiny streets, we have finally arrived, and right behind me, you can see the mosque. We're now in the quintessential Moroccan accommodation, a riad. Bright and airy, this place gives you the opportunity to live like a local within Marrakesh. Riads get their name from the Arab word garden, and as such, its main feature is the interior garden with fountains and trees like this. We also find upper balconies and rooftop terraces and so much more to explore, so let me show you around. Look at this beautiful garden. I don't have words. I mean, I have some of these plants at home, but not even half the size, obviously. And this cute little fountain makes me want to dip my toes inside because it's still really warm out. To contrast this beautiful scenery, I'm wearing a bright red dress and some burgundy boots on my feet that I love. This dress also has a beautiful back, and to top it off, I'm wearing these rectangular sunglasses because it's still the middle of the day. As you can see, the inside of a riad has colorful tile work all around, and this little nook seemed like the perfect space to have a small tea ceremony. Let me put some mint in the glass. Oh, it tastes really good. It's a little weird though, drinking hot tea in hot weather, but it's supposed to cool you down, so I'm gonna have another one. We're now in Souk La Tarine, a place where in the past you could buy scents and spices and metal goods. And today it's an experience in itself where you can feel firsthand the hustle and bustle of a traditional Moroccan market. You can't smell it right now, but in here the aromas of perfume lingers in the air, and also, of course, from all the spices. They are beautifully placed in these kind of pyramid style, and they look stunning. We also have a good selection of argan oil, which is a very traditional Moroccan product. I like using it for my hair and my skin, and it smells like heaven in here. I'm wearing a very simple black dress right now and some cowboy boots that are super comfortable. And I've paired it with this artisan hat that I also got in the back of this market because it's super hot. And because it's so hot, I think I should get also a fan, like something like this. Wow, ceramics. It doesn't seem to stop. fan of sunset and also traditional food, so I have come to this restaurant which has one of the best panoramic views of the Medina. They serve Moroccan and French cuisine here, so that's a very tasteful combination. I've tried to match my outfit. I'm wearing this denim mini skirt and an animal print blouse and of course my cowboy boots. I love this meeting point of different cultures and cuisines. It's a pretty perfect description of Marrakesh itself. And as you can see, my food has already arrived. I've ordered the mezze plate of the season, some courgette pancakes, and there's a beautiful lentil salad that I'm gonna dig in right about now. Bon appetit! This was pretty insane. I'm definitely leaving Marrakesh fulfilled with new memories and experiences, and I want to for sure come back in the future. But right now I have to rest and get ready for our next destination, which is also called the City of Lights. Can you guess where I'm heading? I'll see you soon, and don't forget to subscribe and stay updated on the channel so we can finish the summer adventure together.